I'm Marcus Peters. I'm the Global Head of Offshore HSE. I have responsibility for development, construction, new markets and new technologies with RWE Offshore. Safe by design is really important because it's where HSE really starts. If we can look at a two-dimensional drawing of a design and we can bring that to life to make it constructible, operable and maintainable, we can actually create a safer asset. And by creating a safer asset, we create a safer workplace. And by doing that, then actually we can control safety in a far earlier position. HSE shouldn't come in at day one of construction. It should come in right at the early stage of design. And it's about bringing design teams together, all singing in the same hymn sheet to have a safety philosophy that focuses on that. What we've certainly looked at is from the asset perspective, we've looked at things like, lifts and hoists, and we've looked at davit cranes and a variety of the assets that we use, where what we've been able to do is put the right people in a room and actually have a conversation about, from a user's perspective, what that looks like versus what maybe a designer thinks it looks like, and bring that perceived reality and actual reality together to really work on ensuring that we get good feedback to try and actually move through a change process. And I think if you look at the early turbine makes or the boat landing designs to where we are now, a lot of the work we've done on the Safe by designs have really helped improve that. But also they've helped disprove some of maybe the perceptions of risk that exist within assets. And certainly if you combine that with the data sets that G Plus creates, then that's also helped us shape a more real sort of view of the industry. We can't have engineers designing on a two-dimensional basis. You can prove anything from that engineering perspective. So we don't want powers of 10 to the minus 7 in a design. What we need is that actual reality of how the work is done. And to do that, you've got to put the right people in the room. And that diversity of a design team, having inputs from people who are operating assets, who are transferring each day and looking after components in a nacelle, that's fundamentally important. It's as important as putting the tier one contractors in the room. And these are the people that will build the projects and build the design, create a real meaningful output of recommendations. So